Hey, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Josue, my little brother David. We're on a mission. We gotta get out the fucking house, man. On a mission to 7-Eleven. Get some snacks and shit. Get some junk food. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Fuck it. You know?
Can't get beer in my mom's home.
And we might get beer anyways, man. You know what I'm saying? If we get beer, we get beer. The 7-Eleven got scraps. That's what we gonna get. If they got the worst cookies available, the worst flavored Doritos, we gonna get all that shit. Got my book bag. You know? So, hey, man. Let's do it. Mission to 7-Eleven.
You already know.